How to buy Racco token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code and it's in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, so before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screen right now. It created 1 day ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%, as you can see. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token trended number 25 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. Open your function wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. Now after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to add access to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy a Racco token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.